FZL300 CBTC system is developed independently by CRSC according to the European Railway Safety Standards. It is a core component designed for safety and efficient train operation, characterized by first-rate technology and high-level automation. It includes such items of indoor equipment as Automatic Train Supervision System, ATS, Computer-Based Interlocking System, Zone Controller, ZC, and Data Communication System, DCS. The trackside equipment includes axle counter, balise, radio AP and antenna. The onboard equipment includes driver machine interface, automatic train protection system, automatic train operation system, onboard DCS, speed and distance equipment, and balise transmission module. FZL300 CBTC system is provided with powerful automation functions. Now let us explore its secret. At 4 o'clock a.m., the dispatcher selects and transmits the timetable of the day to various stations and depot. The driver starts the onboard equipment and it performs the self-test. ATO achieves the automatic, energy-efficient, and on-schedule train operation under the supervision of ATP and according to the timetable information. The train accurately stops at the platform with accurate error of less than 25 centimeters. The train doors and platform screen doors are automatically opened. When the rush hour begins, the system achieves the automatic decrease of the train headway to 90 seconds at the minimum. The train arrives at the terminal station and starts the driverless automatic turn-back operation. The train arrives at the turn-back track and the leading end of the train is automatically switched. The train automatically moves to the platform at the other side and completes the driverless automatic turn-back operation. The train completes the train operation of the day and arrives at the depot. FZL300 CBT system has a maintenance and diagnosis system to comprehensively and conveniently monitor the operating status of all the operating equipment and timely provides the maintenance personnel with equipment fault alarm information. The FZL300 CBTC system has passed the safety certification conducted by the independent third-party certification organization from Europe. This system has been broadly applied in the cities such as Beijing and Chongqing. Meanwhile, the FZL300 CBTC system has strong extensibility based on the requirements of users. This system can be upgraded to the FZL400 Fully Automatic Operation System, FAO, with higher intelligence, so as to realize the all-time automatic operation during the full trip. The FZL400 FAO system is a system supplemented with the Intelligent Operation Module on the basis of the FZL300 CBTC system, so as to form the comprehensively automated TIAS system, with the traffic control system as the core, and support the completely unattended operation within the fully automatic rolling stock depot. The FZL400 FAO system, with high automation and intelligence, conforms to the relevant international standards and reaches the currently highest automatic operation level around the world. The CRSC is willing to boost the rapid development of urban rail transit with her safe and reliable products and elite services.